Good morning, YouTube. What a beautiful day up here in Colorado. But you're not here to talk about the weather. You probably clicked on the video because it said I'm talking about modifications I've made to my turbo so far. Where to begin? I guess I'll start at the front, work my way to the back. First of all, I custom made my own bumper. It is 1-inch Schedule 40 pipe welded together, and then it's tied into the frame there, and then into the frame there. Then you see the Hawse Fairlead. I have synthetic 3/16 cable. That is a Badlands 3500 winch down in there. A lot of people knock the Harbor Freight winches, but it's actually pretty fantastic. Right there you're seeing the Tusk Terrabite tires, 32-inch and 14-inch Tusk Teton beadlock wheels, brand new wheels, just released a few weeks ago. I'm going to make a separate video about these tires and wheels, talking about those. So that probably does it for the front there. Your basic winch and then a custom made bumper. Added the lower door panels from Polaris. I actually removed those off my old machine, my 2017 S1000. So I just swapped them over. Same thing with the roof. SuperATV tinted roof. Absolutely love that. That's a fantastic addition. It is so neat to be able to see out. And it takes just enough of the glare and the heat off the sun to make it worth it. Awesome. Moving on to the inside, I got the Prp Restraints, and it's the automotive style. Really nice. I really don't like the kind of like that how should I say, kind of like the safety harness latch type thing. That's kind of a pain in the ass. And then these are pass-throughs off of eBay. I'm not, I don't think there's really a name brand or anything. They're probably knockoffs. But installed those pass-throughs. Super easy install. And then back here I got the quick release. These are not from Dragonfire. These are, I'm gonna have to put the link in the description, but they're from Summit Racing, and they're way less than, UTV specific quick releases. They probably mark them up just because of the clientele, so to speak. But these are off of Summit Racing, same thing as these. So this is way cheaper. These are like $2. And I think this latch was maybe $3 or $4. So you have the complete set is less than like Dragonfire. So that's the way to go. It's Summit Racing. That way, quick release and pull it through, and then you can remove your seats super easy. I have the remote winch mounted up here for easy access. Down here I'm using an old iPhone 5 for GPS, and then I just screwed in the mount to the cubby. Just your basic rear view mirror. I also removed that off the old 2017 S1000. Swap that over. Running a Aftermarket Assassin's clutch kit, the S2 model. And I'm also running a level 2 Aftermarket Assassin's tune. Back here, custom made bracket to space it off the cargo bed there, keep the heat off and whatnot. Just a basic ammo box off of Amazon. Works really nice. It also has a rubber seal to seal everything out. Custom made chainsaw mount. I feature that in another video. That's kind of the mod so far of the 2018 Polaris RZR Turbo. Oh, double aught half windshield. That was also removed off my old machine. So that's kind of the nice thing about Polaris. I don't know, some people kind of knock it, but you know, you can interchange parts. So when I traded in my old machine, I was able to take off the windshield, roof, lower door panels, and swap them over to this one. Shouldn't skip the OEM Trail on Rocks Edition high clearance A-arms in the front. And then also on the back, the Trail on Rocks Edition high clearance radius rods. Really, really nice, solid bar. You're not bending those. Could not be happier with this machine. I really, really do not believe they couldn't be any better. It's a fantastic machine. The ride is incredible. If you're considering between an XP and an S, you're definitely going to be way happier with an XP. Unless your trails are narrow enough that you kind of have to stick with a 60-inch. And the S is perfectly fine. It really, really is. I mean, it was a comfortable machine. Way more comfortable than a 50-inch. And then the 50-inch is way more comfortable than an ATV. So, I mean, each step you progress in the comfort and the speed, but it's hard to beat the XP. It really is. So I can't imagine what the new Turbo S model, the 72-inch, man, it must ride like a freaking Cadillac. But that's years down the road. I'm gonna keep this one for quite a while. More than happy with it. So that's the mod so far up here in beautiful Colorado. Just killing it this morning. Perfect weather. So there you go. That's the modification so far on the 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo. This has been Bullet Outdoors. Peace.